Explorers of the unknown, welcome back. Let's expand our horizons with today's question.
The most common issues with flat-screen TVs include poor image quality, connectivity problems, and sound issues. To fix poor image quality, adjust your TV's picture settings or check if the input source is of high quality. For connectivity problems with devices or the internet, restart both your TV and router and ensure all cables are firmly connected. If experiencing sound issues, first check the mute function or volume settings, then try changing the audio output settings on your TV. For more complex problems, such as screen flickering or dead pixels, consulting a professional technician is advisable.
Another mystery solved, but many more await. Keep up with our daily discoveries by subscribing and turning on notifications.